Ever look at your lawn and wonder, why do I have more weeds than actual grass? Weeds are like uninvited guests at a party, taking over your space. If weeds are winning, there's something deeper at play. Your soil may be compacted and lacking nutrients, making it a fast food joint for weeds. Compacted soil stresses your grass, leaving gaps for weeds to thrive. Aerate your lawn, feed it with nutrients, and add compost for long-term health. Overwatering and underwatering create the perfect conditions for weeds. Water deeply and less frequently to strengthen your grass. Treating weeds without fixing soil issues is ineffective. Focus on soil health for a vibrant lawn with fewer weeds. Thin grass coverage allows weeds to grow and thrive. Reseeding and diversifying your lawn can help it grow stronger. Your lawn is crying for help. Weeds are symptoms of underlying issues. Remember, healthy soil equals a healthy lawn with fewer weeds. Visit www.hippiefertilizing.com to get your grass growing strong, naturally.